listening you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I'm hearing you.
Oh, perfect.
Are you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, how are you?
Yeah, good, thanks. How are you?
I'm also fine. So,
Good.
are you busy now?
Yeah, oh, no, I'm good. I've got a couple of minutes.
Okay. So, we are talking Fiverr in lead generation campaign you want to run. Am I right?
Correct, yeah, for our real
Yeah.
estate lead
Yeah,
generation.
Okay. What type of information do you want? You want your customer name, email, WhatsApp number, or something like that?
Yeah, phone number, email, full name, and yeah, that would be enough. And then, I could find out the address of their property. Yeah, like later once I give them a call.
Okay. So you want your first name, last name, email address, and phone numbers, and also address.
Address. No, probably just the phone number, full name, and email is enough.
Email and phone number is enough because of when we collect email and phone number, we'll call them and collect your address and contact will him, and that will be okay.
Say that again, sorry, just a bit of disturbance here at the office.
Okay. So I know how to generate lead generation in organically. Okay, could you give me your area zone? What type of people information do you want? They live in Sydney or total Australia or outside Australia?
Just Gold Coast. Gold Coast.
Where?
In the Gold Coast?
Gold Coast. It's inside Australia.
Yeah. Inside
Okay.
of yeah, Gold Coast.
Okay. Please type it. Type
How do you do it?
in chat box.
Where's the chat box?
Yeah, I said it. I text you. Please.
Oh, yeah, Gold Coast. So GOLDCOAST.
Did you find chat box? I message you. Zoom chat box.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not at my computer. I'm just in an office.
Okay.
I'll log in. Yeah. So I'll go type it in. Just bear with us.
Okay, you can type your address in Fiverr, no problem. Okay.
Yep. Just give us 1 minute.
Okay. Your email and WhatsApp number in Fiverr restrict your accounts, so that's why it's the only way. When we meet with Zoom, share your WhatsApp number in chat box. I share my WhatsApp number. You just type your WhatsApp number.
So how come we're going to go to WhatsApp?
We can communicate with WhatsApp using WhatsApp and mail. Please give me your WhatsApp number.
Yep. Bear with us.
Did you find chat box? A message is in chat box. Look at the screen and find set and type there. Type your mail and WhatsApp number in chat box.
Yeah, so how come you want to use WhatsApp?
We can communicate with using WhatsApp because of you can't share a lot of information. Use Fiverr because of Fiverr has a lot of restriction. So that's why we communicate with using WhatsApp, not in Fiverr.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
But
the best
what do you need?
option.
What do you need the email for?
Yeah, need your WhatsApp number and email. Email for we can share your text file or big file using email. As you know, that email is very important for file sharing.
Yeah, okay, yep.
Okay, you just type your WhatsApp number and email. Did you find my email? Yeah. I receive and give me your WhatsApp number as well.
Uh, this is my mobile, but it will connect to
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, area.
um
Only this area?
yeah. So these are all like little suburbs in Gold Coast.
Okay, big city name.
Yeah, about 1 million people in Gold Coast. So can you retarget like people?
Like?
Retarget?
Yeah,
Oh,
I
big
also
city,
yeah. Uh,
yeah.
did you have
Gold
any
Coast.
website? Did you have any website?
I've got a Facebook page.
Did you have any website?
No website, no.
Okay. So as you know that how important for making website for this type of business. If you want, I can also know how to build up WordPress websites. So as you know that
No. Uh,
website is
yeah,
very
no.
important for this type of business. But if you have a Facebook page, it's enough for lead generation campaign. Okay.
Yeah, but can you just do Facebook ads?
Yeah, I want to run Facebook ads, and if you want, I also run Google Ads campaign. As you know that conversion rate is better than Facebook ads, Google Ads campaign. Did you have Google Ads account?
Oh, can we just focus on the Facebook?
Yeah. We can try to first Facebook and lead generation campaign, and also I know how to organically generate leads from
Yeah.
LinkedIn, Google, and a lot of platform I used for generate organically lead generation. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I just need your Google. Sorry, I just want to need Facebook Business Manager access for run ads campaign.
Mm.
Yeah. So did you give me your business manager access or your Facebook access?
Yep. Yep. I'll have to do that.
Okay.
So yeah,
So
I'll just
I
go on.
I sent custom offer in Fiverr. Okay.
Yep.
$100 offers in Fiverr. So please accept this order. Queensland, Australia. Okay. So you message me in Fiverr. So our area is Queensland, Australia. Okay. Big area.
Yep.
Okay.
And do you create the ad?
Yeah. Two ads need to create.
Yep.
Okay. One ads would be like page engagement or like or comment anything else, and one for lead generation. Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
So have you
Okay.
got an example of what they look like?
Okay. Okay, what type of data we receive from our ads campaign, and then we'll take a decision which ads is better than for me, Facebook. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So you just accept my offer in Fiverr and send me requirement in Fiverr section, and next time we will message you in WhatsApp if you have no problem.
Yeah. Perfect. All
Okay.
right, mate.
Okay. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank
Okay.
you so much. You
Talk
just
to you soon. Bye.
Okay. 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 Thank you, friend. Have a good time.
You too. Bye.
Bye.